मुशर्रफ के चाहने वाले उस वक्त मारे खुशी के चौंक पड़े जब परवेज मुशर्रफ को उन्होंने सादा और बावकार शलवार कमीज में ज़ेब तन देखा। जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ का किसी ऐसे इज्तिमा से गुफ्तगू का ये पहला मौका था। सामईन महफिल को दूसरी खुशगवार हैरत उस वक्त हुई जब उन्होंने गुफ्तगू का आगाज अल्लाह के नाम से किया।
My brothers and sisters in faith, Assalamu alaikum to all of you, and a very happy Eid Mubarak to each one of you. On this most auspicious day of Eid, all our prayers, and also may Allah Ta'ala accept during this holy month of Ramadan all our prayers. May Allah Ta'ala bring peace and happiness in all of us, within all of us. May Allah Ta'ala bring peace and happiness especially to the people of Palestine and to the people of Kashmir. May all your prayers in the holy month of Ramadan and today on this occasion of Eid be realized. Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, this is the first time I am addressing a gathering of this nature after an Eid khutbah which has been delivered so eloquently and so beautifully by the Sheikh Al-Khatib today. I have no pretension of knowing about Islam anything more than any one of you. But I will take only a few minutes to convey to you some of my own views and thoughts. You all do me an honor by being present here and listening to me patiently. I intend leaving some food for thought for you. The first point that I want to make is that the entire Muslim world, the entire Ummah is in turmoil today. It is in turmoil within our own countries. It is in turmoil between our countries of the Ummah, and it is in turmoil with others in the world. We have to correct this. While we demand resolution of all our political disputes, mainly Palestine and Kashmir, I would like to ask you a question: whether the path of terrorism and extremism will solve our problems. The answer obviously is no. Terrorism and extremism will only lead us to more trouble and more suffering. Therefore, the correct path for all of us today, in a state where we are maybe the poorest societies in the world, the most illiterate and the most backward, is to demand resolution of our political disputes from the world, but at the same time shun and reject extremism and terrorism from within. When I talk of extremism, I would like to leave a food for thought for you. Extremist or extremism is a person, a woman or a man who has the false notion that what he or she thinks or her or his views are the correct views. and that other views are wrong. This is a wrong notion which should be shunned. And secondly, while he or she thinks that his or her views are correct, he or she takes it upon herself to impose that view on others, which we have no right to. That is what I call extremism. On this most auspicious day of Eid, all our prayers, and also may Allah Ta'ala accept during this holy month of Ramadan all our prayers. May Allah Ta'ala bring peace and happiness in all of us, within all of us. May Allah Ta'ala bring peace and happiness, especially to the people of Palestine and to the people of Kashmir.
परवेज मुशर्रफ वाशिंगटन डीसी में एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान पाकिस्तान के एटमी ताकत होने का दिफा करते हुए दो टोक अल्फाज में ये कहते नजर आए कि पाकिस्तान का न्यूक्लियर पावर होना फख्र की अलामत है।
Is anyone telling India why are they nuclear? Where are they threatened from? Why have they gone nuclear? We have gone nuclear because, like Israel, we have an existential threat. Yet everyone is after Pakistan. Everyone is after Pakistan, our nuclear. It is our compulsion, our existential compulsion. It is our pride. And every Pakistani in the street, it is a pride of Pakistan to be nuclear because that ensures the security of Pakistan. So therefore, anyone who talks against our nuclear and everything should understand our sensitivities and our interests also.
एक और मौके पर खिताब के दौरान उन्होंने दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ लड़ी जाने वाली जंग में पाकिस्तान के किरदार की अहमियत पर जोर दिया और आलमी बिरादरी का साथ देने की पादाश में आने वाले मसाइल का तस्करा किया।
It is my faith and belief with my experience of 8 years that this country of ours, Pakistan, has tremendous potential. It has resources. It has human capabilities in the people of Pakistan. And therefore it has all the potential to rise, to progress, to develop. There is no doubt in my mind. If there is a problem has always been in the history of Pakistan, a problem of leadership. The people of Pakistan have all the potential. The nation, the state has all the potential. It is the leadership which fails to deliver, and therefore we face all problems.
अक्सर मकामात पर अपनी पुरतासीर गुफ्तगू में परवेज मुशर्रफ के एतमाद ने हाजरीन के दिल मोह लिए और उनके मुदल्लिल अंदाज गुफ्तगू ने आलमी बिरादरी को पाकिस्तान की बेहतर तस्वीर दिखाई, जिसकी एक मिसाल उनका ये खिताब है।
Those weapons and that money which comes into Pakistan and feeds the Pakistan Taliban, because Pakistan doesn't have weapons and Pakistan doesn't have the money. So let this be very, very clear, ladies and gentlemen, and I mean every word of it. Pakistan is a victim of whatever is happening in Afghanistan. If we think we ought to win in Pakistan and everything will be hunky-dory in Afghanistan, is absolutely opposite. We have to win in Afghanistan to choke everything in Pakistan. That is the reality. So please, talking of Ahmed Rashid, don't read too much into what he is saying. He doesn't know much about Pakistan, and he doesn't know much about that area.
बेशतर जगहों पर वो तालियों की झुरमट में जलवागर हुए और हाज़रीन महफिल को अपनी शुस्ता और बरजिस्ता गुफ्तगू से मबहूत कर दिया। जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ ने दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ लड़ी जाने वाली जंग में जहां पाकिस्तान की बेपनाह कुर्बानियों और मसाइल को मौसर अंदाज में पेश किया, वहीं आलमी सियासत के पेचोखम खोलने की जुस्तजू करते हुए आलमी बिरादरी को अपनी नजरियात से मुतारिफ करवाया।
Zong Z20 20 सेकंड की कॉल करो सिर्फ 45 पैसे में।
Zong, सब कह दो।
सारे पाउडर आजमा लिए, मैल है कि कट्टी नहीं।
आपको